We're going to have LaTeX create a document that has a single sentence, but that sentence has a mixture of ordinary words and mathematical text. And you can see that I've opened up Text Studio and I've started the document off. There's the document class, the use package commands and the begin and end document statements already there. I just have to type in the contents. And the sentence we're going to write is: the most straightforward way to find the roots of 2x squared minus 5x minus 1 is to use the quadratic formula. So, as I said, we're ready to start entering the content, so I'll start typing the ordinary text. The most straightforward way to find the roots of, and now we're ready to write the mathematical text, and the very first bit is 2x squared. But there are many ways to indicate to LaTeX that you want to start writing mathematics, and that mathematics should appear as part of the sentence. We are going to use the most common method and probably the easiest method to use, which is to write the mathematical text in between two dollar signs. So I'm going to put a dollar, and now I'm going to write my 2x squared, or enter my 2x squared. So I do 2x, and then for the squared I have to indicate that 2 is a superscript to the x. I do that with the caret symbol. The caret symbol is the hat that appears above the 6 on the keyboard. I bring that up by pressing the shift key down and tapping the 6, and now all I have to do in this case is type the 2. And that's all you ever have to do if the superscript is a single symbol. If you have more than one symbol, if for example here we wanted to say power 21, then we would have to put the superscripted text inside braces. So if I wanted that power to be 21, I would have to say brace 21 and then close brace. Now I don't, I just want it to be a 2, so I'm going to delete the 1 and I'm going to leave the braces in place, because you can put single symbols in braces if you want. The rule is that if there's more than one symbol you have to use the braces. If there's one symbol you can use braces or not use braces. So we've already got the 2x squared. The rest of the maths is minus 5x minus 1. Now I haven't done any spaces there. I can do if I want, but it'll make no difference to the output. LaTeX makes all the decisions about spacing for you. You don't have to make any decisions at all. Now just to emphasize this, I'm going to put spaces here, in fact a lot of spaces, and then you'll see that in the output those spaces don't appear. Well, going back to the main case in hand, I've finished my mathematics now, so I'm going to close off the dollar sign and write the rest of the sentence, which is: the most straightforward way to find the roots of is to use the quadratic formula. And now I'm finished. So I'll save my file and process it with the PDF LaTeX button. That's exited normally, so now I can view it. And remember about all these spaces between the 5 and the x. Here we don't have any spaces at all. Notice the layout of the 2x squared minus 5x is very elegantly done. This is why we do LaTeX, is because it produces the best possible output you can have for mathematical text.